Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. So today, let's talk about something critical for any manufacturing business that wants to stay competitive, and that's increasing their production output. By understanding the key metrics and then implementing strategies to enhance efficiency, you can see significant improvements in both productivity and quality. Over on our blog, I've put together a full project plan of how to increase production output over the next 12 months. So stick around to the end of this video and you'll get access to that. But now let's dive into my top suggestions for activities to undertake. So first, let's start with some process optimizations. If you were to go about implementing principles like 5S, Kaizen, and value stream mapping, you could eliminate waste and streamline your processes. Or by redesigning workflows, you could reduce bottlenecks and improve process flow. And then finally, updating and standardizing your standard operating procedures will ensure you reach consistency and efficiency. All of those can help increase output. Next, let's look at technologies. If you want to install and integrate systems for real-time data collection, you'll be able to track improvements in output. By doing predictive maintenance tools, you'll be able to reduce downtime. And then IoT, robotics, and other technologies can be used to automate repetitive tasks and speed things up. And then lastly, let's take a look at workforce efficiency. If you were to develop comprehensive training programs focused on new technologies and lean manufacturing techniques, also fostering a culture of continuous improvement through regular feedback sessions, you'll be able to come up with some great ideas for improvements. And then by implementing cross-functional teams, you'll be able to drive that innovation and suggested improvements. So I think that by implementing ideas, your factory can effectively increase production output over the next 12 months. These initiatives will help you achieve significant gains and sustain long-term success in your manufacturing operations. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article on their blog. That includes a comprehensive project plan to improve production output over the next 12 months. So just click on the link below, and I hope that's helpful. Take care.